renewable energy is generated from natural sources such as wind, water, sunlight, rain, and geothermal heat. One of them is hydroelectricity, which uses water as a source and is generated in hydropower plants. Today, hydroelectricity produces approximately 24% of the world's electrical energy. In this video, we will learn how hydroelectricity is produced. The 6 main components of hydropower plants are dams, gates, penstock, turbine, AC generator, and transformer. Dams are built to hold back water, which means a large water reservoir. As the gates are opened, a small opening of a large reservoir builds very high water pressure as it flows through the penstock. Penstock is a pipeline that leads to the turbine. It is designed in such a way that the gravitational force pulls the water down to the turbine, which produces kinetic energy. Turbines consist of large fan blades and a spindle. The spindle rotates when the water strikes the blades, thus converting kinetic energy to mechanical energy. On the top, there's an exciter, which gets small DC power. Below the exciter is the generator. The working of an AC generator depends on electromagnetic induction. Inside the generator is a rotor, which is driven by the spindle. Outside rotor, the stationary part, is a stator, which is made up of 3 coils of copper wires called winding. On a rotor, there are a number of electromagnets powered by the DC current through exciter. The magnets are lined up in a way that adjacent poles have opposite field to each other. As the rotor spins within the stator, each pole's magnetic field acts on the stator winding. Each time one pole completes one full revolution, a pulse of AC power is generated on the windings and transmitted to the grid by conductors attached to the stator. The grid station has transformers, which converts AC power to AC higher voltage current. And bingo! There's the light. The hydrologic cycle is important to hydropower plants because they depend on water flow. If there is a lack of rain near the hydro plant, water won't collect upstream. With no water collecting upstream, less water flows through the hydropower plant and less electricity is generated. Yeah, that's no rocket science.